How's it going, everybody? Working on a engine accent kit from Brave Wolf Customs, and while I was here I noticed that this chrome sticks out like a sore thumb, and I want to do something about it. So I'm going to take this apart and this piece I am going to paint flat black. Here's a look at the sticker kit on the right side of the motor. If you're planning on getting this, take your time because it is a pain in the butt. Super thin, and make sure you follow the instructions. Otherwise, once you get it on and completed, it does look really awesome. The kit does come with duplicates in case you mess it up. About 50% done the left-hand side. Here's the final product. And as I said, it was not easy. I had to redo a couple of them, but as I said before, it comes with extra pieces and turned out really awesome. I did just add the Harvard's Chrome Tour Pack, which I'll go over in another video. Also this low-rise antenna with red accents as well. Final step was to paint the chrome on the Stage 1 air cleaner. It looks a million times better. I used some VHT primer and VHT flat black header paint